LabTheater ทุกคนนะคะวันนี้ lab ของเราจะเป็นเรื่อง environment lab นะคะ Welcome ladies and gentlemen to LabTheater today. The section will start on the regulations for lab environment. First of all, I would like to introduce our speaker first. ขออนุญาตบรรยาย ดร.วสุเป็นภาษาไทยนะคะวิทยากรของเรานะคะ ดร.วสุโลนะคะจบปริญญาตรีและปริญญาเอกนะคะจากมหาวิทยาลัยเทคโนโลยีพระจอมเกล้าธนบุรีค่ะแล้วก็วันนี้นะคะจะมาพูดให้เราฟังถึงเรื่องห้องปฏิบัติการสิ่งแวดล้อมเชิงรุกเพื่อเตรียมตัวสำหรับข้อกำหนดใหม่นะคะเพื่อไม่ให้เป็นการเสียเวลานะคะขอเรียนเชิญดร.วสุค่ะเรียนเชิญค่ะ
Good morning, everyone. My name is Wasu Low, member of Council of Science and Technology Professional. Today, I am going to give a short presentation on topic improve your environmental laboratory to proactively prepare for compliance. Our main objective of this topic are improve laboratory standard, increase quality of service, safe work environment, and preventions and unexpected circumstances. Those objectives will receive by using top 3 basic things for environmental laboratory improvement concept. This concept can be separated into 3 parts. General information of laboratory, organization, laboratory construction. Now I'm talking about top 3 basic things for environmental laboratory improvement. Scope of sample analysis technique, sample preparation technique, and service capacity can be defined as a member of general information of laboratory. In the case of organization, we should focus on training and documentation in order to improve laboratory skill tasks. In the section of construction, this section is a special section for you in order to build or renovate your new laboratory. The combination of 3 things, general information of laboratory, organization, and construction, result in environmental laboratory improvement. In every laboratory, sample preparations and standard methods that are used in your laboratory act as a key for environmental laboratory improvement. The standards are focused on analyze sample media and instrument. In the case of analyze, it can categorize as inorganic compound, organic compound, biology, microbiology, physical property testing, and others determinations. For sample media, it involves phase of sample, aqueous, liquid, solid, gas, or tissue. In the case of instrument, the instrument is related to the standard method that you use for analyze sample. For example, ICP, UV, HPLC, or GC. In this presentation, I would like to use some information of US EPA and ASTM as a framework to improve environmental laboratory. This is the webpage of US EPA. There are many approved methods for analysis of sample. This slide shows 3 main groups of the methods that are used to analyze drinking water. This method used to analyze inorganic contaminant. This method used to analyze organic contaminant, and the other one is method for radionuclide. When you click it, you will get a list of approved method and a short descriptions of selected method or some links to the developer. US EPA also developed their own method as shown in this slide. As you see, when you read the name of standard method will give you three things. First, it's a target compound. Second, instrument, and the last one is a media sample media. The other international organizations that report or publish the standard method for environmental analysis is ASTM. This is the list of standard method for environmental. This is the example of standard method test for X-ray spectrometer analysis of lime and limestone. This standard is generally used in limestone industry in Thailand. When you read standard method, you will get two things. The first thing is sample preparation and the other one is instrument. For sample preparations, labware reagent, standard reagent or materials, matrix reference reactions and calibration standard can be observed from standard. In the case of instrument for sample preparations, analytical instrument include its conditions and quality control such as LOD, LOQ, percent RSD or recovery was suggested in standard method. In order to improve laboratory skill tests, there are many strategies can be used. For example, information directly from standard method, in-house training, application note for manufacturers, literature, or research paper and specialists. Lab direction, lab report, and data record and lab report is a documentation sections that need to be set in order to improve quality. This is in-house training. The picture on the left-hand side is training of principle and the use of industry copper plasma atomic emission spectrometer at Nippon Steel Galvanizing. And the right-hand side is training of the principle and the use of energy dispersive X-ray fluorescence at Jinbao Precision Industry. This is in-house training. In-house training is an effective way to improve laboratory standard and cost-effective. Application note, you can achieve application note that related to your standard from manufacturers. These are lab directions. This is the example of lab directions. It is not suitable for operators if you have to read it every time because there are many elaborated details in standard method. Therefore, lab direction should be written with appropriate information. For example, these lab directions used to analyze catalate. Catalate is a target compound that need to be analyzed. Reagent and material sample procedures with a various type of materials. Solid plastic sample, liquid sample. In instrument section, the condition of instrument needs to be set and need to be reported. Measuring for is usually set for routine work. This is an example data record and report from Florida 88RF. This data record shows the sample information, analysis conditions, and analysis results. You will see that the sample information include part, sample name, materials, or manufacturer part number. For analysis conditions, this is the conditions of EDXRF. If we use other instrument, for example GC, the detail inside this table will be changed. Analysis results and judgment. Analysis results and judgment, these judgments relate to the raw standard. According to development of research laboratory safety model in Thailand by Associate Professor Chai, Department of Architecture, Faculty of Architecture, Chulalongkorn University. This report found that there are 5 main problems that were observed in laboratory in Thailand: ventilating system, electricity, intensity of light, emergency equipment, and laboratory operating area. This is the example of bad example. Food hose is not designed for chemical waste storage. This picture shows a wrong method to keep balance, right? This is a picture showing unsuitable operating area. You will see that for these pictures, gas cylinders behind a GC, and this laboratory have a very poor ventilation system because they have to use electric fan here. This is also the bad example, laboratory. You will see that analytical balance here, sieve, and cloth hanger here. Plug was installed near the sink, right? It's the same. It's a bad laboratory environment. Insufficient area for lab operating. It is another problem for laboratory. Okay. Room, other ways, and is the emergency equipment. It's very difficult for you to use emergency equipment, right? It's the same example. It's very difficult for you to access emergency equipment to solve the problem. Good laboratory environment, good environmental for laboratory. There are many parameters that need to be recognized in order to improve your laboratory. For example, acoustic, temperature, lighting, ventilation, construction, safety, sign and safety equipment. Background noise level in laboratory is about 40 decibel. The ventilation system may increase noise background. For biological laboratory, the appropriate temperature is about 25 degrees Celsius, but not more than 27 degrees Celsius. For illumination, 540 lux is suitable for general operation area, but for the colony counted area, it should be set between 860 to 1,000 lux. This is the example of standard laboratory based on the classroom associated control environment. There are many questions about this standard because you need to know which standard class should be used in your laboratory. This table gives you elaborated detail about classroom and associated control environments for laboratory. Generally, laboratory use clean room class 5 to 7. Thanks to the project reference from Skill Constructions, this is the list of the ISO standard laboratory in Thailand. For electronic business, they build ISO class 5 to 7. In the case of hospital, they build class 7 to 8. For packing industry, they build class 5 to 8. It can be concluded that from this table, class 7 is generally used for all industry. Class of the 3 low related to the cost. This slide shows the type of construction, for example, wall, ceiling, and floor. Sandwich panels are widely used, but it's suitable for low humidity levels. In the case of concrete epoxy coat, it's cost effective, but it's suitable for high humidity levels. In the case of ceiling, gypsum epoxy coat is generally used in your laboratory, cost effective and clean look. In the case of wall, vinyl floor is usually observed in the laboratory, but you have to install all equipment first. Monitoring system and utilize system is also needs to be set for your laboratory in order to maintain the quality of clean loop. Temperatures, humidity, air pressures, number of particles, lighting, sound, airflow. In the case of utilized system, air flushing system, power supply system, and water system can be categorized as a member of utilized system. Laboratory design. Laboratory design can serve our main objective: increase quality of service, safe work environments, prevention, and unexpected circumstances. This picture for material flow, laboratory glassware, and emergency exit. This slide shows the entrance of common and outways. What do you think about this picture? These pictures show bad, right? Bad environmental laboratory, right? This picture shows this chemical storage cabinet. This picture shows good example for chemical reagent storage, but you can see that there's no ventilation system in this room. This is also a bad example. This is a safety equipment made to be installed in your laboratory. Okay, thank you.
สักเล็กน้อยให้หน่อยได้ไหมคะขอบคุณค่ะ The Thai conclusion is starting
คืออย่างนี้นะครับก็คือว่าในการปรับปรุงห้องแลบนะครับให้มันสอดคล้องเนี่ยกับมาตรฐานในอนาคตเนี่ยโดยทั่วไปทุกท่านทราบกันดีนะครับว่ามันจะมีมาตรฐานเช่น ISO 1.35ที่ล็อกอยู่นะครับรวมถึงพวกมาตรฐานต่างๆที่พวก GMP อย่างสไลด์อันหลังสุดก็คือพูดได้ว่าถ้าท่านไหนอยู่โรงงานยาเนี่ยไม่ได้ถูกบังคับด้วยมาตรฐานเหล่านี้ประเด็นที่พบเจอคือว่าโดยมากนะครับเราจะไม่ให้ความสนใจกับเรื่องของมาตรฐานนะครับของตัววิธีการทดลองนะครับแล้วเราก็ไม่ได้มีการวางแผนกับเรื่องของการออกห้องแลบไปก่อนนะครับส่งผลทำให้การพัฒนาห้องแลบนะครับสิ่งแวดล้อมให้มันสอดคล้องกับมาตรฐานเนี่ยมันทำได้ยากนะครับที่ทุกท่านเห็นว่าห้องแลบเนี่ยบางทีมันไม่ออกแบบมาสำหรับการทำงานในนั้นเลยก็จะเห็นได้เช่นอะไรครับปลั๊กไฟมีจำนวนน้อยนะครับหรือว่าถังแก๊สอยู่หลังเครื่องอย่างเงี้ยนะครับสิ่งเหล่านี้นะครับเป็นอุปสรรคนะครับในการทำงานรวมถึงว่าบางทีอาจจะส่งผลให้เกิดการปนเปื้อนนะครับของสภาพของถ้าเกิดคุณทำเป็นห้องแลบเป็นแบบทำฟู้ดเนี่ยนะครับคลาส 2 biosafety class 2อย่างเงี้ยนะครับอาจจะทำให้เกิดการปนเปื้อนได้นะครับ
ไม่ทราบทางผู้เข้าร่วมงานครั้งนี้มาจากบริษัทไหนคะ